I don't know about you guys, but my son is obsessed with PJ Masks all of a sudden, and he has been begging me for this Owlette watch. Owlette for some reason is his favorite character. It's so random, but yeah. And he's been asking for this Owlette watch, and I found it on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Anyways, I just thought this would be like a really cool Christmas gift if you know a toddler or a kid that really loves this show, just like my son. So this, it just says PJ Masks. This is by Vtech. It's a learning toy, so that's why I decided it was okay to get for him. Let's just take a look at the box and see what it says. It says it teaches numbers, counting, addition, and shapes. That's so cool. Okay, so there is a warning that the buttons and stuff could be a choking hazard. And that was my son that just snorted next to me. Why are you snorting? You're so funny. Alright, it's okay. And here it says Super Owlette Learning Watch. Cool. So there's a little description on the back. And it has games and features. Let's take a look at what it does. So, oh cool, 1, 2, 3, it says find the largest largest or smallest numbers with Catboy. Cool. And then it says time events with friends using the stopwatch. So it has a game, it has a stopwatch function, so if you race or do something that needs a timer, that's awesome. Then it says, set an alarm with a choice of alarm tones. Cool. And choose from 9 PJ Masks digital clock faces. Wow. Parent-friendly features. Parent-friendly features, what are they? I need to know this. Durable design. Oh, please don't move in. Automatic shut-off. Okay, cool. So that saves the batteries. And the box just has some characters on it. Let's take a look at this side. Anything of interest? I don't think so. Vtech. This box is recyclable. Cognitive development. Basic math skills. And problem solving. Okay, so those are the developmental benefits. So let's just get this thing opened up. I have my scissors here to help me with the tape, or whatever this is that is holding it in. Okay, that was not useful at all. Okay, so there is a tape here on this side as well. I'm doing this through my viewfinder, so it's gonna look really strange. Didn't work. Let me do this closer up. No, there we go. I'm just gonna peel this tape. I totally missed it. There we go. So the box opens up. Let me move these scissors away. And we can pull this out. Here, baby, can you help me hold this box? And here is the Owlette watch.
It's mine.
It's yours, yes.
It's mine now, but this is for Maya.
There's a zip tie here. You're gonna have to cut that. Okay. Holding it in. Can you help me throw this in the garbage, please? Thank you.
And make this into wood. That.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm horrible at opening kids' packaging. Cool, okay, that's so cool. Let me take this out so we can take a better look. If I can even see how this... Oh, okay, so it just snaps on and off. Oh, look, it's glowing.
And how's it glowing?
I don't know. So I guess you just have to push it in like that. That is cool. Let me show them. Sure. Okay. All right. He's so excited. Okay. How about we put it on after I show them really quick? Okay. So let me just show this here. It has a little button, and it just snaps in like this. So So there are two little grooves here, and depending on the size of your child's wrist, you just line them up and push in to close, so they can open and take this off easily themselves. Here is the symbol of Owlette. Very cool. And it has a cover, so you just open this up. And it plays a little music. Alright, let's take a look at the side here. What button is this? It doesn't say, but there is a button on that side. Oh, with the count. Oh, so this is demo mode, I think. Yeah, it just replays the same thing over and over. And let's see. So there's Owlette. Here is two buttons. Oh, this is a clock. So I'm guessing that's the timer. There is a left and right button, and then there's a OK button here. Okay, so a lot of parents are like, okay, that's all it does. I read the Amazon review, it just turns off, turns on, and it plays in this demo mode. You have to take it out of demo mode, and according to the reviews that I read before purchasing this, you hold the left, the right, and the OK button together. And it's supposed to make the noise. Oh, did you hear that? It went beep, 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 beep.
Why?
And if you hear any background noise, that is my dogs eating their dinner. Honey, please, be patient. Okay, so now, I think it should be out of demo mode. Yeah, there we go, look! It has a time. Let's see. 24 hours or 12 hours. We're gonna press 12. Hold on, I need to see what time it is. Okay, so it is... So I'm just using these as like arrows, toggles to go forward. And right now it is 3. Press enter here in this middle button. Sorry, I need to zoom in super close so I can see it. But basically this is the enter button, okay, and then there's left and right buttons on the side. Right now it is 3:53 p.m. Ooh, baby, you get to see what time it is. Keep track of real time. Is that cool?
How are you doing that?
I'm setting up your watch.
Listen.
Hold on, let me just double check on the time. Okay. So, oops. Oh no. Ah, snaz. Evan, now we just do it all over again. Okay, so we're gonna do 12-hour, 24-hour, 12-hour. Press the OK button. And then you're gonna go here. Right now it is 3:54. I think I'll just put it a minute later, I mean. Okay, 3:55 p.m. Oh, did that say a.m. or p.m.? Shoot, I don't know. Let me... Okay, so is that Catboy?
Yeah.
Oh, does that say PM or AM? It says PM, right? Yeah, that looks like PM. Okay, shoot, because I don't know how to reset it afterwards. Oh look, so here you press the side buttons to toggle through the apps, I guess. Oh, you want to play a game?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play.
Want to play?
Press OK, hold on, let's listen. See, what does that say? Oh, you toggle through the games?
Let me go back. Go back.
This is 4,
You please
3.
go back. Go back with my watch.
Okay, hold on. Let's just press OK. What game is this? Oh, Owlette.
Let me see my.
Okay, hold on, honey. Okay. Oh, it's math! Baby, what's 2 plus 3 equal?
2 plus 3 equals.
Is it 4 or equal 5?
5.
Okay, so in order to press 5, you press this right button, and then press OK. Excellent!
Wait, let me do it.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, he's so excited, he can't wait. I know, because I just want to see what they can do, okay? So let's... Oh, that's not right.
Wait.
Oops. Okay, so it tells you no. Hold on, how do we exit? Okay, so exit is the clock. This must be back button. Let's see, has a game. What does this do? Oh, this must be the timer. Okay, let's press OK. And then does it start?
Mom,
1 minute? Oh, it doesn't say. We'll just go back. Okay, that's a timer. What's this one do?
that's Romeo's Fly Factory.
That's Romeo's Flying Factory.
It is her.
Let's see.
The
What
flying.
are you supposed to do? Oh, this is the timer. Oh, it's a stopwatch.
Try it.
Look, see, look, it's gonna count for you. Like, let's say you're racing, I'm like, Evan, how long does it take you to go to the restroom? And then you could time yourself.
How about 49 p.m.?
49 p.m. Okay. And then you press OK to stop. Okay, let me go back.
Let me go back.
And so that was the time. Must be alarm clock. This must be the alarm clock. Okay, 7 o'clock a.m. Okay.
Is your baby? You clean it?
Hold on. This is so cool.
So let me play with it?
Yeah, I will.
Is your baby playing with it?
You are playing with it. Just hold on, okay? I just need to know how to work it so I can teach you how to use it.
I'm gonna teach myself.
You want to teach yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, yeah, this is super cool. I think you can change the faces. You want me to change this to Owlette, or you want to look at Catboy every time you open it?
I will just need to do it to Owlette. Let me
Okay,
do it.
but you don't know how to do it?
Let me try.
Hold on. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to teach him how to be patient. This is actually part of his Christmas present that I'm giving to him early. And you know kids, they just want things right away. So I'm trying to teach him a little patience since he's just keep bugging me about this Owlette watch. Anyways, oh, it comes with a set of instructions, which I never read because the font's too small. But yeah, I went to sleep. Let's see. Let's go back in here. So it does have all the characters, Catboy, GEIKO, Owlette. And let's figure out how to change the watch face background to another character. That does nothing. So 3:59 p.m. Let's go backwards. That's setting time. That's game mode. The timer, right? Or is this the timer? Oh, that's the alarm. This is a setting. Let's see. 8 a.m. This one, what does that look like?
Look at the HQ.
Is this the HQ?
Yeah, that's the headquarters.
And what's this?
I don't know. It's an owl glider.
Oh, what's this?
But still not the owl.
Just the owl glider? Should we do this? Okay. I don't know what that did though. It's still Catboy. So there's a timer. This must be the watch face. There's only 2 settings. So this must be the time. Oh, here we go. Here we can change it here. Ooh, what's this guy? Who's this guy?
GEIKO.
GEIKO? Okay, and who's this?
I don't know, but still.
That's Catboy.
And this Owlette.
You want to keep this one?
Yeah.
Or should we see what else they have?
I
What's
want,
this one?
I don't want. I just want Owlette.
This isn't this Owlette too?
No, that's Owlette.
This one? Do you like this one?
Yeah, I want the.
Alright.
Okay, point to it.
There, I press OK. Look, now Owlette is here. Alright, I think we're all set up now. So, you can put it on your wrist. Can I see your wrist, please, sir? Okay. Let's make sure it's facing you. Okay, can you bring it over here? Thank you for being patient, honey. Yeah. Okay, let's put this on.
My watch.
Yeah.
This one, but you.
There you go. I think it needs to be smaller. Your wrist is very tiny. Okay, can you lean forward, please? Thank you, sir. Okay, well, anyways, I will fix this off camera. Look cool. Okay, hold on. Baby, are you so happy? Yeah? Do you like it? Wow. You could play math games. Timer. That thing is pretty cool. And the best part is, it was only like $11 on Amazon. I mean, prices fluctuate, but very affordable toy. Yeah, okay. Very cool. Okay, what do you say to mommy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to Owlette.
Thank you for sharing your toy and showing us how it works and letting us join you when we open it. Okay, can you say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.